Welcome to the stunning Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. In today's video, we're taking you along on a boat tour to experience the breathtaking beauty of these iconic cliffs.
We'll guide you through the tour, pointing out some of the most incredible rock formations and sharing fun facts about this natural wonder.
And don't miss the return journey, where we'll give you our top tips and tricks for planning your own adventure while soaking in one last look at the magnificent scenery.
Thanks for joining us on this LoveNester adventure.
The best way to see Pictured Rocks? Well, by boat. With several kayak and boat tour operators to choose from, we went with Pictured Rocks Cruises for their wide variety of tours and convenient times. You can purchase tickets online or at the dock, but be aware they do sell out. And remember, tours can be canceled for windy conditions. Welcome back to LoveNesters. We are going to go on a Pictured Rocks boat cruise. We were here once before and didn't get a chance. We are coming on a rainy day, but we've been told that can actually be a great time to see Pictured Rocks. Hopefully less crowds, not as windy. So come along, we'll let you know if it's worth it to go on a rainy day. This is the catamaran boat, which they use for the Spray Falls cruise. You get to see more stuff in less time. Welcome aboard. Today we're embarking on a breathtaking journey along the Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore, one of Michigan's most awe-inspiring natural wonders. Stretching over 40 miles along the shores of Lake Superior, these cliffs have been shaped by the forces of nature over thousands of years, creating a vibrant tapestry of colors, shapes, and stories. The first stop on the tour is the East Channel Lighthouse on Grand Island. It opened for service in 1868 and was recently restored.
The first rock formation is one of the most famous landmarks of Pictured Rocks, Miner's Castle. This is one of the only rocks that has viewing platforms allowing you to see the formation from land. Here's what it looks like from a previous video that is linked below. Now, as we move along the shoreline, notice the stunning colors of the cliffs. The reds, oranges, and browns are from iron, the greens are from the copper, and the blues and blacks are from manganese. These minerals have seeped into the porous sandstone over millennia.
This lakeshore encompasses 42 miles of spectacular Lake Superior shoreline and is one of only 3 national lakeshores in the entire U.S. park system. Inside of this lakeshore today, we'll be seeing sandstone cliffs ranging from 50 to 200 feet above the water level. This sandstone has been molded by the wind, rain, and waves into pretty fancy sea caves, archways, and formations. There's also a mineral spring water running through these cliffs, giving them some distinct colors.
This is called Indian Head, a formation named because it resembles the profile of an American Indian chief, headdress and all. It's amazing some of the things people see in the rocks, but this one is a powerful reminder of the region's indigenous heritage.
As we approach Grand Portal Point, you'll see why this spot is a highlight of the tour. The massive archway and towering cliffs make it one of the most dramatic and beautiful parts of Pictured Rocks. It is a popular spot for photographers and the tallest spot along the shore.
If you look closely, you might be able to see the broken flower vase formation. Look at the trees as though they were flowers coming out of the vase. On calm days, the boat tour will actually take you into Chapel Cove. Unfortunately for us, that was the part of the tour that could not happen on a windy day. Up ahead is Chapel Rock, another iconic formation. If you look closely, you'll see a lone pine tree growing right on top of the rock. What's amazing is that this tree's roots extend across a natural bridge to the mainland, drawing water and nutrients from the soil. The rock once had an arch connecting it to the mainland, but erosion took its toll, leaving behind this stunning solitary structure. The best way to get close to this iconic rock is through a hike. It is a 6-mile out and back hike that we have highlighted in a separate video that we will link in the pinned comment. Now get ready for a special treat as we approach Spray Falls. Spray Falls can only be seen from the water, and there is only one boat tour that Pictured Rocks Cruises offers that takes you all the way here. This spectacular waterfall cascades down a 65-foot cliff into Lake Superior. It's the only waterfall in Pictured Rocks with a continuous flow, providing a stunning sight no matter when you visit. The 6:30 cruise can be less crowded, as many people opt to wait the extra 30 minutes for the sunset cruise that does fill up.
We recommend the Spray Falls cruise because you actually see more formations, but in less time. The lighting is so much better in the afternoon and evening cruises, as the sun will be reflected off the cliffs, providing for some beautiful photos.
If you are interested in photographing the pictured rocks, we recommend sitting on the right side of the boat. While passengers on both sides of the boat will have a chance to view the rocks on the return trip is done at a much higher speed. You are allowed to bring your own food on board, and they do have some drinks and concessions available for purchase. It's important to know that if rain is in the forecast, they only sell enough tickets to ensure that everyone has an indoor seat. If you're riding on the catamaran boat for the Spray Falls tour, there are actually 2 decks that provide indoor seating. Okay guys, thanks for coming along on the adventure today. We were going to see if it was worth it to do the Pictured Rocks cruise on a cold or damp, overcast day. Absolutely it was, 100%. Everyone in our group had a blast. I was worried that it might be too tame. No, this boat was rocking. I fell down. Sorry I didn't get that on film for you guys. Quite something. You are allowed to bring food on the boat, but I will tell you, I took Dramamine to do this cruise. Would recommend doing that if you're at all seasick and it's a windy day. Highly recommend that you dress warm. It is going to be cold even in the summer if you want to sit outdoors. And listen to what the ticket office says. They warned us that tickets might not be available tomorrow because it's likely to be too windy. If you want to get on one of these boat cruises and you have the chance, do it. Take the opportunity when it's available. Thanks so much for coming along today, guys. That's going to do it for us.